Hello and welcome to Beyond the Bio, the recap. In these short episodes, I'm recapping on Monday's show and encouraging you to take some action as a result of that topic. If you missed Monday's show, please go back and take a listen. You will find the link to it in the show notes. This week was a solo episode where I was talking all about how you can repurpose your content to get maximum mileage out of any of your creations. I covered the advantages of repurposing content beyond just time. So I was talking about how it enables you to reach a wider audience, how different people prefer different formats. So think audio, think written, think video. You can attract different types of learning styles or preferences by creating different formats. And also I was highlighting the benefits of increasing the content's lifespan. So not having your best work fade out after one use and reusing it wherever possible. I talked you through my 4-step process of repurposing content, starting off with step 1 of auditing your existing content, following through to step 2, where I shared how you repurpose the different formats. Step 3 was tailoring for the particular platform, and step 4 was all about creating a repurposing routine, because if you follow that framework, you are going to have the best chance of finding your best content and being able to repurpose it in the most effective and time efficient way. I also covered off some of the common mistakes to avoid, things like reposting without tailoring, overloading one platform, and also not tracking what works. So these were all common mistakes to avoid and hopefully will save you some time and energy. My take action this week is going to be super easy. It is absolutely going to be to start off auditing your existing content. So step 1 of the repurposing process that I spoke about. So create yourself some kind of document. If you really fancy, you'll be able to do it in some kind of project management software. If you were me, it will be probably in the back of the notebook or something on a basic Word document. But I'm sure most of my listeners are a bit more tech savvy than I am. Maybe a nice spreadsheet. Maybe that would be a good one. But colour coordinated, you could have it all for your different types of content, your different platforms. That could be fun. Whatever works for you, whatever is practical that is going to be useful, but start off with auditing your existing content and getting it into some kind of shape so that you can see what you've got. By taking this first step, you're also going to see where the gaps are, what's missing, what platforms, what style of content, what type of content is missing, what could you be doing more of. Maybe it's video. A lot of you hate doing video, but video is sadly not going anywhere. And it's even on LinkedIn now, and people are doing a lot of video content. So there isn't a huge amount of escape now from video. So maybe that's a glaringly obvious one that is missing when you do your audit. Whatever it is, get that audit together so you can see what's missing, see what you've got, and then start thinking about how you move into those other steps to repurpose and extend the shelf life of what you have. I hope this topic has been useful. It's certainly got me thinking about all the content that I have in all of the various places that I have it. So I've got lots of work to do myself. As always, let me know how you get on with taking action, and I will see you on the show next week.